Hello students, let's continue with the French Revolution. Till now, we were seeing about the France, what were the problems were there, how the society was divided into different groups, and what happened with the king. So finally, this king, Louis XVI, was forced to increase the taxes. At that time, king were not allowed to increase the taxes. For that, they have to call for the state general. The state general was a political party to which the three states sent their representatives, from where inside the state general meeting from these three different states people used to come and they used to do meeting according to this related topic. So this type of meeting last time it was called in the year of 1614, and now on 5th May 1789 again Louis XVI was calling this meeting. Inside this meeting, Louis XVI topic was focused on, the proposal was this, to increase the taxes. On that time, this first state and second state, from each group, 300 representatives were there. And when we are talking about the third state, from that side, 600 members, representatives used to come. Inside this hall, 600 people, it means 300 of first state and 300 of second states, were sitting in while facing each other, and the third state representatives were standing at the back side. Inside this third state representative were much more prosperous and educated members. Peasants, artisans, these all were not allowed. Even on that time, women were not allowed to assemble inside the assembly. However, inside this, third state people were there with the 40,000 letters while writing about their proposals, about their representatives, what they want. These all proposals on that time nobody had seen because everybody was focused on that time to increase the taxes. Last time, this type of voting, state general voting, was done on the basis of state had one vote. Each state having the same one vote. So according to this, first state having one vote, second state having one vote, and the third state having one vote. So if this type of meeting should be if this type of voting should be done, then third state where people were knowing that this increasing of the taxes will be done. But the third state was not, they don't want this. So they want that the taxes should not be increased. And that's the reason third state stopped these type of things, and they told that each member should have the same one voting system. It means each person having the same one voting system. According to this, the voting should done in this code, where each member would have one vote. This was one of the democratic principles put forward by the philosophers like Rousseau in his book, The Social Contract. When the king rejected this proposal, all the members of the third state walked out from the assembly area for their protest. After this, the third state representatives all get together at Versailles Indoor Tennis Court. They announced themselves as the National Assembly. They all were, this was the date of 20th June 1789, where they all get together and they were planning that next what they have to do. Finally, they started making rules for the France. They decided to write the France Constitution and give less power to the king. For that, Mirabeau won third state. He was against of the privilege of first and second states. This Mirabeau, he won in the second state, but still he was against of this all privilege what the first and second states were getting on that time. Next, Eboussies, he was the priest. He written book, What is the Third State? They both were leading this group of this third state. So many people went against of this this all thing what were happening on that time. Even the climate was not so good, and this all crop were damaged, and this crisis was there of food. The rice was high on that time. This food price was so high, so people they started facing problem, and just because of this 14th July 1789, this Bastille prison was broken. So what we had seen in the first video about the breaking of this prison, this occurred on that time, just because of this all rumor. On that time, so many rumors were there that second states people sent some to destroy the crops. So the farmers attack on the noblemen, taken things, burn the important paper of the noble people, and left and so many noble people on that time, they left the country. At last, Louis XVI have to forced he was forced to sign that constitution what were made by them. Finally, on 4th August 1789, this assembly was passed, where we can see some points. Point number one, no more privileges were there for the first and second state. Second point, power reduced of Louis XVI. So whatever the power was there with the king, it was reduced. And the third main point, that land are redistributed. So whatever the land was there with the church or with the first states, it was redistributed in the third state people also. And this thesis, that direct tax were there, these all were ended. So finally, now France changed into monarchy system to the constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution in the year of 1791, where this all government was divided into three groups. Legislature, where they used to make their laws; executive, where they used to implement the laws; and the judiciary, where they enforces the laws. In France, out of 28 million, only 4 million people were allowed to vote. These 4 million people select 50,000 electors and one judge. According to this, they used to, while giving their vote, they used to select 745 National Assembly members, and they control the king. King just left with the veto power. It means king cannot do anything whatever he wants. According to that, they have to take. He can just give the decisions, but he can't take all the decisions. Means after this all, when the proposals were passed, at last they will just take a last permission of the king, and this proposal were passed. So king, he can't do anything from his side. He just have to say yes or no, nothing more than that. So finally, this National Assembly also controlled the soldiers. There were two different types of citizens. One were known as the active citizens, those having right to vote in France. On that time, male above 25 years having the right to vote, even to that people, those who were giving in taxes. Another side, we're having the passive citizen, where they don't have right to vote. Inside this, all the people, those were not paying tax on that time, females, children, they all were coming under the passive citizen. Even on that time, under this National Assembly, only that member were selected, those who used to pay more taxes. This new constitution have given the right to speech, they given the right to equality, and given to all these things were protected by governments. Thank you.